Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So in this video I will talk about my work on the IT project management infographics. And so the first is, what is the definition of the IT project management? So IT project management is the process of planning, organizing, and overseeing the activities, resource, and tasks involved in the development, implementation, and completion of information technology IT projects. And the next is, what are the difference between the project management and operational? So the first characteristic of the project management is it has a temporary time, also called it has a deadline that the project has to be done before the deadline, and then it also has a product. It's also has a it's not. It also make a specific product or a unique service, and then it's it also has a higher risk due to the uniqueness and complexity, and it has a fixed budget specific to the project, and the projects is must be go through phases such as initiations, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure. And the otherwise operations uh, is a difference between the projects. Operations has an ongoing and continuous time, so it has no deadline, and then it repeats process to maintain business. And for the budget, it's ongoing. It can be bigger through the time, and it's part of the operational cost. And then next is, what are the types of project organizations? So the first is functional organization. The project is managed within the existing functional hierarchy. And the next is the projectized organizations. The project manager has full authority over the projects and the resource itself. And then the matrix organizations is combined between the project management, projectized organization, and functional organizations. And then the last is composite organizations. Composite organizations blends the characteristic of all three structures, the functional, projectized, and also the matrix. And then the next is the management project processes, the systematic steps and procedures follow to ensure the successful completion of a project, such as initiating project group, planning project group, the executing, and monitoring and controlling process group, and also the closing process group. And then the next is the certificate project management. Uh, Certificate project management is professional credentials that validate an individual's knowledge, skills, and expertise in managing project, which are uh, project management professional or PMP, and then certified associate in project management CIPM, and then it also has many certificates in project management such as Prince 2, and then Agile Certified Practitioner, Certified Scrum Master, and etc. and etc. And the last is, what are the tools of project management? So the first is Gantt chart. It's for visualize uh, it's to visualize the tools that show project timeline, milestones, and task dependencies. And then mm, Zoom. Zoom is popular. It's also a popular tools for collaboration and communication and communications for video conferencing that helps the teams connect remotely remotely for meetings. And then Zoho project. Zoho project is it's maybe a popular tools for monitoring the budgeting and cost management. Is for a project management such that includes time and expense tracking. And then the next is Google Drive. Google Drive is a popular tools for storing the documentations and file management through the project. And yeah, I think that's all for my explanation about my work on IT project management infographics. And thank you for your attention.